If you are looking forward to create an e-commerce store or want to convert your WordPress website into e-commerce website, then this video is going to be for you. In this video we will see how to install WooCommerce plugin into WordPress dashboard, and which is first step toward creating e-commerce sites. Hello and welcome to the new video of Themunk. I am Anurag. Let's dive in. Open your WordPress dashboard, navigate to plugins. You can see add new plugin here, click on it. Go to search bar and search for WooCommerce. You can spot the WooCommerce top of the plugins. Click on install now. After installation, click on activate. It will show a wizard to launch to set up the WooCommerce. Click on back button. Now click on plugins. You can see WooCommerce in your plugins list. Now WooCommerce has come to our dashboard. Click on it. If you want to skip the setup, then click on skip, otherwise click on set up my store. Choose one option as per your business and click on continue. Here enter the name of your store. Select the category. Here lots of category are being shown. You can pick any one of them. I am creating clothing store, so I am selecting this. Select the location and enter the email ID. After all, click on continue. These are boosters provided by WooCommerce to increase the sales and do promotion and marketing. Click on continue. If you don't want them, unselect them and then click on continue. And that's it. We have successfully installed WooCommerce plugin into our WordPress dashboard. In the next videos we will see how can we customize the store and add products. We will see you in next videos, guys. Thanks for watching.